Today's a very exciting day because my husband and I booked a hotel for a little staycation. We are only staying for one night, but we are going to have a nice dinner. We're going to go to the pool, we're going to relax, and we're also very excited for the breakfast at the hotel. I've been waiting for this day for a few weeks and I have to leave in an hour, but I'm not done packing. And I want to get a little bit of cleaning done so that I don't come back to a messy house. So we have to get moving. We don't have a small suitcase at home. We only have a gigantic one that we took to our honeymoon. I managed to fit everything into this bag. I have 20 minutes to spare, so I'm going to do the dishes and vacuum, and then I think I'll need to head out. We are all ready and it's time to leave. It's a very warm day outside, so I'm just wearing this gigantic trench coat. The house is not perfect, but I did the best I could in 20 minutes. Let's go.
나쁘지 않아.
Hi everyone, I am back from our little staycation. A really exciting package just arrived. I got a secondhand vintage camcorder. I'm so excited. Let's hope it works properly because I got it at a very good price, so I was kind of worried that it might be a scam. Oh, it's so beautiful. I don't know how to turn this on. I managed to turn it on. Look how pretty. Hi. And it's in such good condition. There are a few scratches, but I'm in love. I just woke up from a very good nap and I'm still feeling a little bit tired, so I made myself a cup of coffee. This is a top that I crocheted a year ago. It's one of my favorite things to wear, and I've been waiting for the weather to warm up to be able to wear this. I love the semi-off shoulder look and the different color patterns of the sleeves. I watched the Friends reunion episode yesterday. Friends is my all-time favorite TV show. I think I watched it in 2020 during COVID, and I never really stopped watching it. I think I'm at least on my 7th or 8th rewatch. I always watch till season 9 and then start over from season 1. I don't like to watch season 10 because that's when everything starts to change and you can really tell that the show is ending, and that makes me sad. So I only watched till season 9. I really didn't know anything about what happens on the reunion episode, and I enjoyed it so much. It was so heartwarming and a little sad at the same time, and there were so many surprises. I've also been watching the Netflix docuseries The Keepers. I think I'm still on the 2nd or 3rd episode. I have a lot of knitting to get done today, so I'm going to turn on The Keeper and knit as much as I can.
Information from anybody who might have information about what happened to Sister Kathy. First, people know that they can get so many responses.
But it became clear fairly early that
Tan brick building was Kathy's apartment.
The hunters found her. She was face down in the stream with her hand tied behind her back. Her throat is what I saw when I pulled that sheet back.
Good morning, you guys. I just woke up to a kind of gloomy day. I am going to do a quick run around the neighborhood to pick up some groceries and some bread and things like that. I'm taking this bag that I made a few years back, and it's falling apart. I took a shower and put on some makeup so that I look a little bit more presentable. I wanted to share a little bit about what I am doing in my life right now. I don't think I've shared this before, but I am actually in the process of preparing to launch a brand with my friend. We've been working on this for a couple of months, and it is taking a little bit longer than we expected, but I am having so much fun, and this is actually something that we have been talking about since we were in high school. So it's very special to me, and I am so excited. The reason why I am telling you about this right now is because we are finally going to shoot our products in a couple of days, and I am going to work on preparing for that today. I just need to finish making a few samples to use at the photo shoot, and I also need to collect some content inspirations and do some planning. And after that, my husband and I are going to go to a restaurant that I actually discovered this morning when I was getting groceries. So the rest of the day is going to be very exciting.
들어가 있어.
근데 여기 뭔가 저쪽에도 있었. 여기겠지?
여기가 아니야?
여긴 거 같아.
들어가서 찍어서?
난 들어가서 찍어줘. 아,
근데 핸드폰 접으시오.
기술이 역대 최고 속도로 퍼지고 있다.
컵 드릴까요?
오,
쿠폰?
폰. 이게 다 커피야. 그래서 직접 해주시나 봐.
그리고